Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 3000 amp 9 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 460 volt 3-phase, is in very good working condition. Turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. This unit can be hooked up to a PLC and run in automatic mode, or it can be run in manual mode, as you see right here, which is how we have it set up. Take a look at the nameplate here, and we'll start it up for you now. And the O-scope wave here, very subtle. Very nice, quiet unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500, or visit us online at www.lanco.com. Corp.com. Have a great day.